The new GoPro Hero 7 Black shoots in 4K 60fps, has a 12 megapixel sensor, could be submerged underwater for up to 33 feet, has voice commands, touchscreen, GPS, HDR, 8x slow-mo, hypersmooth stabilization, and live streaming. So there are a few significant upgrades over the GoPro Hero 6, and today we're going to be unboxing it. Talking about the price, it was $400 for me, which I think is a pretty decent deal, considering you're getting 4K 60 camera crammed into this small GoPro body. To open the box, you peel off the little plastic thing and pull out the GoPro from the bottom. So here we are, presented with a white box which contains a few accessories, nothing left in the box. The new GoPro is a darker shade of gray, unlike the GoPro Hero 6. So here we have a few papers, including the GoPro manual, a few GoPro stickers, and a white paper with a bunch of words on it in different languages. In terms of the accessories, we have the GoPro battery, we have the USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable to charge the GoPro, and we have two stands with stickers on them, so you can mount your GoPro. So now we can remove the GoPro from the stand by unscrewing this little screw thing, and taking off the GoPro, which is in its case. So the GoPro itself looks very nice, looks very premium, very nice feel to it, and overall it feels very light. To remove the GoPro from its case, lift up the flap on top of it, and then take it out of the case. Taking it out of the case was a little challenging, as I tried to be as gentle as possible with the GoPro, not to scratch it or break it. In order to charge your GoPro or connect an accessory, you open up the left flap and lift it up. That'll reveal a USB Type-C port, as well as I think it's a mini USB, but I'm not too sure about that. Now it's time to put in the battery. To put in the battery, you lift up the little flap to the left and then lift it up. The battery here has not been redesigned since the last GoPro, as far as I know. Now here's where the struggles began. The battery required a lot of force to put it in, and I was afraid to break it, so I tried to be as gentle as possible. After triple checking if I was putting it in the right way, I was able to push it in. But then, when I was closing the flap, it wouldn't close properly. It's as if the battery is too large for the GoPro, and it would leave a slight bump on the GoPro when you close the battery compartment. Now we can go ahead and turn on the GoPro by pressing the button on the right. After 3 beeps, the GoPro turns on. Using the touchscreen, we're going to select the English language. Now it says all the legal stuff. We're going to press agree. I don't see any reasons to have GPS off, so I'll go ahead and turn it on. Now the GoPro wants me to install the GoPro app on my phone and follow app instructions to connect the camera to my phone. Once you install the app, it finds your GoPro automatically and connects to it via Bluetooth. It's going to ask you if you wanted to turn on notifications, to which I said yes, and then it'll find your GoPro. Next, you'll have to name your GoPro. I'm just going to go ahead and name it GoPro Hero 7 Black because I have no creativity. We do not have enough battery to do the update, so I'll go ahead and do it later. So now we're good to go. By default, it'll shoot 1440p at 60fps in wide angle with the stabilizing feature turned on. However, you can change the resolution in FPS if you tap bottom of the screen. So overall, the GoPro Hero 7 Black is a solid upgrade if you're coming from a Hero 6 or a Hero 5 or even earlier GoPro versions. So if you've been debating on if you should buy one or not, I say go for it. Thanks for watching.